Hello guys, how are you? I think you all are very good. I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So guys, today I am here with a new topic. That topic is lines and angles. Lines and angles from class 9, chapter number 6. Okay. So guys, before discussing line and angles, we will discuss about few example where we use the lines and angles. Guys, you see, every architect know about the lines and angles. If he don't know about the lines and angles, he not able how to draw the sketch. And how to find out the height of the tower? If we have to check what is the height of the tower, then without lines and angles we cannot find it. Also we does not calculate the distance of a ship from the lighthouse if we don't know about the lines and angles. So guys, here we have many examples related to lines and angles that we see in our daily life. So in lines and angles we discuss from the first line segment. Guys, you everybody know about the line, but can we draw any line on the graph or any line on the plane? Yes, that is in the form of a line segment. So if we draw a line, this is AB, then we write this line in the form of a line segment AB. Okay, this is line segment AB. So after that, what our second point is, what is collinear points? Okay, so guys, the collinear points are those which are on the straight line. Let 3 points A, B and C. These points are collinear when these all are on the straight line. If any point outside the line, then these points are non-collinear. Right? So our third point is acute angle. Guys, acute angle is the angle less than 90. This angle is a acute angle. When two rays OA and OB make an angle, then it is a acute angle. Here OA and OB are two arms and O is the vertex. Right, this is acute angle, means less than 90 degree. After that, right angle. Right angle means this angle equal to 90 degree. Any angle equal to 90 degree, this is right angle. Right? After that, obtuse angle. Guys, any angle greater than 90 degree, this angle is a obtuse angle. Right? When this angle is greater than 90, then this angle is a obtuse angle. After that, straight angle. When the angle between two arms or two rays is 180 degree, this angle is 180 degree, then this is called straight angle. Right? After that, reflex angle. When angle is more than 180. Right? This is more than 180 but less than 360. This angle is reflex angle. So guys, this is more than 180 and less than 360. This angle is a reflex angle. After that, complementary angle. When the sum of two angle is 90 degree. Let we have two angle, angle 1 and angle 2. So O, A, B, C. The sum of two angle, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Then this angle is a complementary angle. After that, supplementary angle. When the sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree. Let O, A, B and C. Here we have angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Then this angle is a supplementary angle. After that, adjacent angle. Guys, when two angles on the same vertex and one arm common, let O, A, B, C. Here these two angles are adjacent when one vertex is common and one arm is common. One vertex and one arm is common. Then these two angles are adjacent angle. Then linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles mean when sum of two angles, angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to 180, OA, B, BOC. When angle of a sum of two angle is equal to 180, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180, then these are linear pair angle. After that, vertically opposite angle. When two mutual perpendicular lines or two intersecting line segment, when two lines intersect at point O, then opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle. Let these, we have how many angle? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and these angles are vertically opposite. Angle 2 comma angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. So guys, I hope you have been understand about the introduction of lines and angles. So guys, your homework is you have to find out the angles from your daily routines. Every time you see something and many things around you where we see the angles and lines, right? So thank you. Have a nice day.